So today we have an H&K P7 series. This one in particular has a nice story behind it. So it's a police trade-in. You can see right there, December 1982. That was the date of manufacture for this pistol. And these were traded in. This particular one, I'm not going to butcher the state name, but it's in Lower Saxony. And this is probably happened sometime in the 80s. This particular one comes with 2 magazines and the original manual. We are not entirely certain if this is a chrome finish or a nickel finish, but regardless, it's in great condition. Again, that's the H&K P7 series. This is a police trade-in. Go check it out on Gunbroker. It's actually going to be on our website, d4guns.com, for a short amount of time, and then it'll drop on Gunbroker. So try your luck on making an offer on the website, and then if you don't like what you're seeing, then try your luck in the bidding on Gunbroker.